favorite, nice and they say, and they're up, nice and they say, draws for your lead, moving up, guided missile, Leopardo, running by the rail, graceful conqueror, Doña Erica in between runners, moving up, key, Lagerdugos Charm. As they race towards the half-mile pole, Doña Erica moving up on the outside, Kilager, then in between runners is the favorite, nice and they say, guided missile, Leopardo running by the rail is graceful conqueror in between runners, improving is Dugos Charm, rounding at the last 600. Nice and they say now in command, followed by Doña Erica. Kilager racing in third, Dugos Charm, guided missile is on the outside, Leopardo and graceful conqueror now bringing up the rear as they turn for home. Nice and they say in front by about a length and a half. Doña Erica is running by the rail, Dugos Charm, Kilager, guided missile, and down the stretch and nearing the finish line. Nice and they say this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Dugos Charm with 75 meters up the race. Runner number 4 doing it, nice and they say. Over entry number 3, Dugos Charm, then comes Doña Erica, guided missile, and Kilager.
Okay, 4-3-2.